how to use ChatGPT to make money. But before we start with the video, if you're interested in Shopify, you can get it your first month for only $1 if you click the link in the description. And also, if you want to target US people on TikTok, you can buy the specific theme for that as well. So basically, if I were to look at what I just said, you can make money with ChatGPT doing freelancing, blogging, email marketing. You can even create videos using ChatGPT. You can write ebooks and publish, affiliate marketing, and product description. Now, if I were to open this website, there are a few more things that we can answer. Something like write a business idea for watch store. You can generate blog posts, monetize unique platform, Google AdSense, and etc. If you enjoyed, leave a like.